Have you ever stepped into an abandoned place and felt like something was watching you? There's something about forgotten places that pulls me in. Not just the decay, the silence, or the rusted signs frozen in time, but the stories, the things left behind, the questions no one seems to answer. And if you've ever been drawn to an empty asylum, an underground tunnel, or even an old mall with shattered glass and peeling paint, you know that feeling too. Curiosity, excitement, and maybe just a little fear. In this video, I'm taking you deep into some of the strangest urban exploration mysteries I've ever come across, places with real creepy stories. I'll show you eerie clues, unexplained finds, and the weirdest theories people have shared online. So grab your flashlight, we're going in. 1. The door that shouldn't exist. Gary, Indiana. Alright, first up. This one gives me chills just thinking about it. An urban explorer found a door in the basement of an abandoned church in Gary, Indiana. That wasn't there the week before. The creepy part? Behind it, just a narrow hallway and a wooden chair facing the wall. That's it. No windows, no tools, just the chair. People say it looked like a punishment room, or worse. Some even claimed the footage cut out when the explorer got too close, like something didn't want it filmed. Is it staged? Maybe. But explain the sudden appearance of that whole door. No workers, no equipment, no explanation. 2. The mall, with a hospital below. Cincinnati, Ohio. This one blew my mind. In Cincinnati, a group of explorers made their way into an old shopping mall that was mostly sealed off. Beneath it, they found what looked like a hospital. Actual operating rooms, medical records, even hospital beds with sheets still on them. No one knows if it was a fallout shelter, a test site, or something else entirely. Some Reddit users swear it was tied to Cold War-era experiments. Others think it was a failed underground trauma center that got buried under renovations. Either way, who puts a hospital under a mall and just forgets about it? 3. The spiral staircase in the forest, Maine. Okay, this one gets weird. A hiker found a perfectly preserved spiral staircase in the middle of a forest in Maine. No walls, no house, just stairs. And when explorers tried to climb it, some said their equipment glitched out. Cameras shut off, audio stopped recording, compasses spun in circles. Local legends say it was part of a lighthouse that never got built. Others think it's something paranormal. But the most unsettling theory? That it's a leftover from something not human. No one's been able to move it or destroy it. And every year it seems to shift a few feet. Creepy, right?
4.
The hidden room in the prison, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This one's from Philadelphia, an old prison from the 1800s. Urban explorers found a locked metal door with no handle and no hinges, just flush with the wall. The weird part? It wasn't on any blueprint of the prison. When someone finally cut through the lock, they found a room with a mattress, fresh water bottles, and a phone charger. Someone had been living there. Recently. But no one ever saw them go in or out. No lights, no footprints. And when the explorers went back a week later, the door was welded shut again. Who was inside? And how did they disappear? Nasha 5, the Forest of Coats, Oregon, last one. This one's just off. A group found a row of coat hangers in the middle of a forest in Oregon, all identical, lined up on a wooden beam. Dozens of coats, adult-sized, kids, even baby onesies, all left out in the open. No campsite, no house nearby, no fire pit, just coats. Some people say it was a memorial, others believe it was a warning, and a few think it was bait. Whatever it was, no one's been able to find that spot again. The coordinates vanish. Trees shift, almost like the forest doesn't want it found twice. Yeah, urban exploration mysteries are more than just abandoned buildings. They're puzzles. They're whispers from the past, or maybe from something else entirely. So, if you've ever gone exploring and found something weird, drop it in the comments. I seriously want to hear about it. And if this gave you chills, like just a little goosebump, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep, weird dives into places most people would never go. Stay curious, stay safe, and if you hear something moving when it's supposed to be empty, don't go alone. See you in the next one.